bananas crossed the ocean to get here, and now they made this. So there's a special trick where you can take your bananas, put them in the oven on 300 for 15 to 20 minutes. The skin's gonna get really dark, and then it's gonna caramelize the sugars really nicely and make the bananas extra sweet. So it's just a little chef shortcut for you. Otherwise, you can put the bananas in a brown paper bag for a day or two, and they should get nice and spotty. So let's do it. So ta-da! Our bananas are out of the oven. So now you have a cup of sugar plus 2 tablespoons and 2 eggs. You're gonna whisk it for 10 minutes. If you don't wanna get your workout on, feel free to pull out the hand mixer, or even better, if you wanna really chill, pull out the stand mixer and just let it run.